we are going to perform descriptive statistic for 5 variable in less than 30 seconds using Analysis ToolPak in Excel. This is a clock I have, and this is the data set. I have 5 columns, in other words, 5 variables, and we are going to perform the descriptive statistic. Let's start. Let's turn on the clock, and I'm just selecting the data, going to data, and then you have data analysis, descriptive statistic. Click on this and go here and select the entire 5 columns and label in first row. You can see here, and output, I'm going to keep the output here, and summary statistic we have to enable. Give OK. So the data is ready now. The result is ready now. Let's see how much seconds we have taken. We have taken just 30 seconds. I hope you find it useful. Now you can just do a little bit of formatting and all that you will be able to do. You can also compare the same thing using formula also. You will get the same result. I hope you find it useful.